We brought the Kaeser compressors back in 2015, and from that day forward, we've replaced all of our other compressors with Kaeser compressors. The compactness of the unit and the power that they just can put out, we couldn't really find anything to match that in the industry for what our specific needs were. My name is Brett Selby. I'm the current owner of Air-Vac Services. Been the owner since 2005. Took the business over from my dad. He was one of the first employees back in the 60s. So we've been in the industry for many years. And now I'm transitioning the company to my kids in the next few years. Any ventilation cleaning is done with vacuum and compressed air agitation. So the compressor works the tools that actually clean the ductwork. We use Kaeser compressors on a daily basis with all our crews. Ventilation cleaning is our main source of revenue. So we do lots of high-rise ductwork, which is in-slab ductwork, which is typically the most difficult to clean. So the volume of air that Kaeser compressors puts out really helps us be a step ahead of the competition on that. Before we brought Kaesers into play, we were using some other types of compressors, some electric, some gas, piston-driven. Yeah, the type of issues we ran into before were lower air pressure. We had to use expansion tanks to try to capture more air, to have more air volume. With the screw-type compressor that Kaeser's put out, it's on-demand air constantly. And we can run 2 crews off of 1 compressor easily. Sometimes we've even run up to 3 or 4 crews off of 1 compressor, which is great for the industry. Features that are the most attractive are the compactness, the versatility of it, and just the air power that they just put out for us. It's just the volume of air is unmatched. Yeah, we found that the Kaeser compressors are quite a bit quieter than more traditional piston-driven compressors, and we just don't get the noise complaints anymore. We've chosen to go to the higher pressure version, so the compressors they've adapted to our specific needs. We find it just has a better punch right out of the gate, where you get lots of great pressure as soon as you open the valve. In terms of price to value, the Kaeser compressors, it's a worthwhile investment into the company just for what they bring. We don't have much downtime with the compressors. They're quiet running, fuel consumption's good. Really helps us in the industry to be more competitive, more productive. Not much negative to say about them at all.